Are you looking for the best mini PCs? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best mini PCs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Lenovo IdeaCentre Mini. This is a mini PC suitable for a home office, secondary workspace, or small business, and the configuration we reviewed ensures that any of these users can get real work done. This compact box starts in the $600 range, but we tested a more capable $909 configuration, which packs an impressive Intel Core i7-13700H processor, 16 GB of memory, and a 1 TB SSD. Buyers with truly serious workloads to push will want to seek out a larger PC with a workstation-grade or Core i9 chip. Although the Mini lacks discrete graphics, its performance is substantial for a compact PC, especially one under $1,000. While it's not perfect and has limited upgrade options, the IdeaCentre Mini supports multiple monitors, includes a useful selection of ports, and features a nicer-looking design than most. Casual PC users. This mini PC is an excellent fit for low-demand computer users who don't want a laptop and don't have the space for a larger desktop. This IdeaCentre is affordable, its processor is peppy, and it's mega compact. This is a well-balanced and fully featured little desktop. Just bring peripherals and you're good to go. Home office workers. This is a solid mini PC for installing as the base of a home office. For a low-demand desktop for your job or small business, the IdeaCentre Mini works excellently. If you need extra processing power, its Intel Core i7H series chip represents near desktop-level processing muscle. Number 2. Geekom A6 Mini. Many mini PCs are designed for low-power tasks, such as operating a kiosk or running digital signage, but some can also function as regular home desktops. The Geekom A6 Mini can serve as both an affordable and space-saving solution for anyone looking to get basic work done. However, crucially, its performance is better than expected from such a tiny device, thanks to its AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor. This is one of the fastest mini PCs in the budget tier, with plenty of ports. Our model comes with 32 GB of memory and 1 TB of storage, making for a competent and competitively priced little box. Professionals on a budget. This mini PC is a fit for contractors and entrepreneurs who don't require enterprise-level features but need a compact PC to meet their personal and professional needs. The Geekom A6 is a capable home office desktop, often faster than other like-priced space-saving PCs. Casual users on a budget. This mini desktop serves anyone looking for a tiny PC that can power day-to-day tasks like web browsing and entertainment. Why spend more when less on this system will do just fine? It can even drive multiple monitors and make other useful connections. Number 3. Asus NUC 15 Pro Plus. Asus does the NUC brand, which it picked up from Intel, proud with the NUC 15 Pro Plus coming in as the next best mini PC for professionals and small businesses. This mighty little puck is ready for almost any office desk, with a surprising amount of power packed inside. Our model's Intel Core Ultra 9 285H processor is up to most tasks, as are its 32 GB of memory and 1 TB SSD. With its broad connectivity options, user upgradability, Visa mount for easy attachment to the back of a monitor, 3-year warranty, and support for Thunderbolt 4 and Wi-Fi 7, this NUC is ready for business, SMB IT buyers. This mini PC is well suited for anyone looking to equip a small office, call center, or retail establishment with compact yet powerful PCs that can handle basic productivity tasks. The H-series Core Ultra chip, paired with ample memory and storage, all but guarantees it. Windows fans with Mac envy. This is an excellent mini PC for Windows users who appreciate Apple's compact desktop but prefer Microsoft's operating system. The performance of our Core Ultra 9 model is nothing to sneeze at, and it's as fully featured as most towers, just like the Mac Mini. Number 4. MSI Cubi NUC 1M. The Cubi 5 NUC 1M we tested is a bit pricey, as configured, $649.99. $999.99 as tested. But once you get past that, you'll find a lot to like about this compact box. This machine runs quickly and quietly, powered by an Intel Core i7-150U processor, 32 GB of memory, and a 1 TB solid-state drive. It delivers dual 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet connectivity, supports up to 4 monitors, and features a wide port selection. It's not as quick as the list leaders, but quibbles aside, it's a complete package. The Cubi A6 NUC AI we tested is a bit pricey, as configured, $649.99. $999.99 as tested. But once you get past that, you'll find a lot to like about this compact box. This machine runs quickly and quietly, powered by an Intel Core i7-150U processor, 32 GB of memory, and a 1 TB solid-state drive. It delivers dual 2.5 gigabits per second Ethernet connectivity, supports up to 4 monitors, and features a wide port selection. It's not as quick as the list leaders, but quibbles aside, it's a complete package. Number 5. MSI Cubi NUC AI plus 2 mg. As with all Mini PCs and NUC models, the Cubi's compact size is a given. Unlike most, this system is a Copilot Plus PC, equipped with a host of Windows 11 AI features powered by its Intel Core Ultra 7258V processor. You'll find a wealth of connectivity and extras, including a fingerprint reader, dual Ethernet jacks, and an external power switch. It's compact, VESA-mountable, and comes with ample storage. This Cubi is a little expensive for its power, but its overall versatility and feature set are appealing for many types of users, early adopting AI enthusiasts. This is the Mini PC to get for people already deeply into AI. Most people haven't yet seen the need to run out and buy a Copilot Plus PC, and they're even less common among desktops. But early AI adopters looking for a small PC should consider this system. Businesses getting into AI. This Mini PC is an easy fit for businesses new to AI, thanks in large part to its hardware and ample connectivity. It has several ports packed into its small frame, along with security features like a fingerprint reader.